Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, me and Stefan slept in until 5:30 today, and it is 11:46 at night, so we've only been awake for like 6 hours, and he's totally snoring and passed out. He's been sleeping for about an hour now. For about an hour. Sleeping, passed out. And then earlier, when we were sleeping, he was snoring, and then he'd like touch my leg, like, oh, he'd go like to my leg. I don't know why. Maybe try to wake him up.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. She surprised me to slap me.
Stefan, how you doing? How are you? What are you doing?
It's so gross.
He's pissed.
He's so pissed.
Stefan, what's up?
You have sparkle.
What are you doing?
You've been sleeping all day. Hey, we slept in until 5:30 today. You said you wanted to do this. I said don't go to sleep on me. And you're sleeping. I just made you 3 bagels. 3. Oh my god.
Stefan, say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
To who?
Me. Say goodbye.
Well, I had it.
Say goodbye to Dalton.
Peace out, Dalton.
Bye, Amanda. All I get is a bye.
So why are you leaving?
Let's just say bye, Amanda. Say bye to me.
Say bye to her, fucker.
Me?
Yeah, say goodbye to Amanda.
We'll see you again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And like, I'm not.
Bye.
Bye.
You stop fucking with me. I'm stoned.
You're stoned.
Say goodbye to Amanda, goddammit.
Goodbye, Amanda.
Say goodbye, camera.
What?